Good afternoon, children. How are you all? Children, in the last class, we saw about the digestion of humans, how digestion happens in humans. Can you see here? What are the compartments in the digestion path? So, you can see buccal cavity. So, next food pipe of esophagus. Then it goes to the stomach. Then a small intestine and large intestine, and last the anus. So today we can see elaborately. The last classes we saw this, and I asked you to draw the picture also. Okay, children. So first we are going to see the mouth or the buccal cavity. So the mouth and the buccal cavity means the food is taken into the body through the mouth. You all know that. So the process of taking food into the mouth to the body is called injection. So the process of taking food into the body through the mouth is called the injection. So in the mouth only you can chew. Can you see how many teeth are there? Yes, there are many types of teeth also. So using the teeth only you will chew the food, and it will break. You will break into small pieces and you will swallow inside. So you can see there are 4 types of teeth: molar, premolar, canine, incisor. Molar, premolar, canine, and incisor. So you can see from if you are seeing inside your mouth, so the molar teeth are there. Next, premolar. So when you are facing somebody, the center is incisors. Okay, children. So there are 2 types of teeth also: milk and permanent teeth. What is milk teeth? So you all know when you are born, some teeth will be coming, and after a certain age, that means from 6 onwards. For some of them, it will go earlier itself, but 6 to 8 years, the teeth will fall down one by one, and you will grow new teeth. So that teeth is known as permanent, and it will be till a lifelong. So this buccal cavity having saliva also. So what is the use of saliva? We can see through a small activity. So here you are taking 2 test tubes. In one test tube A we are taking boiled rice, and test tube B we are taking boiled and chewed rice. Chewed means you are putting some boiled rice in your mouth and you are chewing for 3 to 5. Chuna savikral. You are chewing for 3 to 5 minutes, and then that rice is put in the test tube B. So A and B, A test tube contains boiled rice and B test tube contains chewed rice. So now, and add some drops of water also. How much drops of water you are adding? 3 to 4 drops. That means ml. 3 to 4 ml water into the test tube. Then after adding the water, you have to drop 2 to 3 drops. Only drops, not ml. 2 to 3 drops of iodine into both the A and B. When iodine is poured, you can see the change of the color. Can you see here in A it is in blue, but B color? No. Why? Because the saliva break down the starch into sugars. So the presence of blue color indicates the starch, but in B tube it is breakdown into sugars. So no presence of starch there. So the teeth and the saliva makes an important thing here. Next we are going to see the important thing. What is inside the mouth? Other thing, tongue. Before saying the tongue, you can see one more thing about the tooth. You all eat daily sweets, chocolates and everything, and whatever you are eating, you won't brush after that, right? So the harmful bacteria which is inside our mouth, that means it will grow into the sugars present from the leftover food and release acids in our mouth itself. So these acids gradually damage the teeth. That only 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you can see here first, second, third, fourth. Last picture you can see the teeth is fully decayed. So therefore children, to avoid the tooth decay, you should not eat more chocolate, sweets, soft drinks, others, mostly sugar products. Otherwise, you have to clean the teeth with a brush and a paste always. Okay, children? Good. Next, we can see about the tongue. So, can you see here tongue? Many layers are there, some diagrams are there. Do you understand anything? Okay, children. We can see what is that. Our tongue has many taste buds. So you can see here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this way, many types of taste buds are there. So bitter means one place, sugar means one place. So for this, we are having an activity. You have to do this and send to me. You can prepare a sample of sugar solution, common salt solution, lemon juice, and juice crushed of neem leaf or bitter gourd. Neem leaf, you know, bitter gourd means pavakai. Neem is, you know, yes, vepele. So this four types of juice you have to prepare: sugar solution, common salt solution, lemon juice. Fourth is anyone juice from neem leaf or bitter gourd. You have to, if you are in the class, we can check with our classmates. Now your siblings or your parents, you can ask them to show the tongue, and you have to take the with the help of the toothpick, one small stick. You can take and keep each juices in the tongue and see what they can observe and which place they get the taste. So the area of the tongue could detect the sweet, salty, sour and bitter. Sweet from sugar, salty from salt solution, sour from lemon juice, and bitter taste from either from neem leaf or bitter gourd. So then you have to write the observation. You are from the tongue. They will tell this place I can get this taste. This place I can get this. So according to that, you have to draw and send to me to my personal number. Okay, children.